My name is Ethan Jamaica,
My name is Phoenix.
My name is Leonardo.
and this is our Battle of the Crispy and Chewy Lab. Chemistry involved water activity is loosely defined as the available water for chemical and biological reactions in a product. Technically defined, water activity is equal to the equilibrium relative humidity of a product, i.e., the humidity at which water will not move into or out of the product. Water will always move from regions of high water activity to regions of low water activity. Different chemical structures have different affinities for water, and those affinities are the main reason that water content and water activity are not the same. Sugar, for example, binds water quite strongly because these foods high in sugar tend to have lower water activities than similar low sugar products. Even different types of sources of sugars can differ in their affinity for water. Gather materials. We gathered all-purpose flour, 1 egg, white granulated sugar, baking powder, molasses, or an alternative which is syrup, butter, vanilla extract, salt. 2 cookie sheets, 2 medium mixing bowls, and 1 large mixing bowl. Our process.
Here we have our lab format with introduction, chemistry, the materials needed, and our procedure. First off, we preheated an oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we take 2 medium mixing bowls and label them brown and white. You melt 107 grams, or roughly about 1.5 sticks of butter, and put in a large mixing bowl. Make sure the butter is melted but not hot. If it's too hot, it will cook the egg instantly. To the butter, add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon, which is roughly about 5 grams of vanilla extract. Beat this mixture until the egg is fully mixed into the butter and vanilla. Divide the mixture evenly into brown and white bowls. You should have at least 115 grams of mixture per bowl. This can vary due to differences in egg weights. Just be sure that the amount of mixture in each bowl is equal to each other. Add 140 grams of white sugar and 20 grams of molasses to the brown bowl mix. And add 156 grams of white sugar and 4 grams of water to the white bowl mix. To each bowl, brown and white, add 165 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 grams or half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 gram or 1/4 of a teaspoon in salt. Mix both batches of cookie dough until the doughs are consistent. Make sure you use clean spoons for each batch. You don't want to accidentally mix some of the brown dough into the white dough. Portion out 25-gram dough balls from each type of cookie dough. Yes, really weigh them out. Make sure they're precisely 25 grams. If you have extra dough, you may save it and cook it later. Arrange the dough balls on 2 cookie sheets like this. White, brown, brown, white, white, brown, white, brown. And bake the cookies for 4 minutes, then rotate the tray so that the cookies that were in the back are now in front and the cookie sheets that were on the bottom rack are now on top. Bake for an additional 4 to 6 minutes until cookies are lightly browned. This may be easier to tell on the white cookies. The tops of the cookies look dry and cracks appear on the surface of the cookies. Here we follow the actual lab format. There was a picture here, but we didn't add it in. Remove the cookies from the oven and allow them to cool completely for about an hour. No, you can continue on experiment 2 while you wait for the cookies to cool. This is something else that we didn't do. Another lab. Completely. Take a picture of your cookies. And we had people access an online survey for this lab, but we made our own survey.
Data and results.
So, after we had the testers try out the cookies and fill out the form, these are our data and results. So, the first cookie, which was supposed to be the hard cookie, got a 93.8% rating of hard. And the second one, which was supposed to be soft, got a 100% soft rate. The texture ratings varied from 2 to 10, but 6 was the most popular choice.